Hey guys, Mark Brown here, Kriete Truck Center, Madison, 608-642-0172. Today here we're walking around one of our 2020 Kenworth T680s. This truck is equipped with the PACCAR motor and an Eaton Fuller 13-speed manual transmission. This truck has just been through our shop, inspected, serviced, and is ready to go. If you have any questions, give me a call or stop on in the Kriete Truck Center, Madison today to check out this unit or many more that we have available. Make sure to check out our website, KrieteTrucks.com, to see a full list of our inventory. If there's anything at any of our 10 locations you're interested in, give me a call or shoot me a text and I'd be glad to help you out. Have a great day.